Hey there, my name is Bridget, and this is my recap of week 5 at San Diego Code School. Things are going well. It has taken me a little extra time to go through the first section of React. That's because I studied vanilla JavaScript before I started this program. However, I did not study React prior to that. So JSX was fine for me, but just really learning how to debug React and exactly how it works is still somewhat confusing to me. However, it's getting better. As I've mentioned in previous videos, the philosophy of school is to learn to do before learning to understand. That yes, understanding and comprehension is important, and it's also important just to get your fingers on the keyboard and get used to how things work. So I'm on VSTDA, which is very simple to do app, and I have to say, for something very simple, that's a pretty complex acronym, but here we are. So I made a roadmap of it before I got right into it, because with React, the way it's structured, there's several components that you create, and then from there you can control the various components. So it's definitely good to create a plan before working on it. Previous videos I touched upon our battleship project that we are currently working on over the course of several weeks as 2 teams. And I was a little frustrated when we started it a couple weeks back. It essentially felt like we got the intro page going, the directions page, and then just kind of stared at a screen for the most part. So it felt really rewarding this time to actually make some progress. Now we have a grid that has coordinates. You click on the squares and they turn different colors, and it seems so silly, but all those little wins add up, and it feels really rewarding when you begin to figure it out. So we've just kind of started work on that. However, I'm happy to see that we are in fact moving forward. And also coding challenges are going well. The last coding challenge, I didn't quite get 100% working solution, but I was close enough. And then my classmate and I worked on finding a working solution together after the hour had ended. And that was cool to dialogue on as well. So yeah, I'm really enjoying the class time. I'm enjoying our challenges in the morning, even when they're difficult. I'm enjoying our mob programming time, even when it's difficult. All in all, this program's been a wonderful experience, namely because of the community, getting to know other students who have similar interests, and also getting self into the meetups. I think if it wasn't for this school, I would not have been confident enough to just start inserting self in meetups. And I definitely recommend that for anyone who's interested in this stuff. The community is really passionate and really happy to honor exactly where you're at. So if you've been thinking about attending meetups and you're interested in this stuff, don't be afraid, just let everyone know you're getting started, and people will be really supportive. So that's it. Thanks for listening.